Meaning of inalienable.
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 Inalienable. The term inalienable refers to a quality or right that cannot be taken away or transferred from its possessor. It originated from the idea of natural rights, which are thought to be inherent to all human beings and not subject to the whims of governments or other authorities. Inalienable rights include things like freedom of speech, the right to own property, and the pursuit of happiness. These rights are considered fundamental to the functioning of a free society, and the protection of inalienable rights is often enshrined in constitutional and legal frameworks around the world.